Guys and girls, welcome again. Thumbs up from me as usual. Thank God for the grace. Welcome to my channel, The Real Love Festival Survival. God bless you. Today's video is going to be about repair kits. A friend of mine on his channel was talking about what kind of repair kits do you carry with you, and a lot of people don't specifically have a specific pouch like this type of pouch or that type of pouch with all their repair gear in it. We kind of have it jotted around our kits. So today's video just going to kind of show you what I've kind of got jotted around and would make up my repair kit. Obviously I'm going to start on your left hand side. If you scroll down into my videos and look for the Viper Operator's pouch, you can see the full contents of this video. It's the Viper Operator's pouch with E&E survival kit. So basically within that you have things like Gorilla Tape. That would be considered as repairable. And within here I just have a couple of blades and a couple of fish hooks. But yeah, keeping on repair. So basically the Gorilla Tape, this is the good one with the material in it. So I've got some of that. And also within this operator's pouch, I've got two large needles, which are good for quite large thread, or you can use nettle sinew to do repairs. So this is under repairs as well. Okay guys, so there we have it. You've got your Gorilla Tape. I mean, basically I've also got home repair stuff, so this is basically a home repair kit as well, with including my little kits with little bits of repair stuff in them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another pouch later on with what I would consider to be a kind of repair pouch. Alright guys, so anyway, carrying on, Gorilla Tape, obviously other little bits of electrical tape that you've got at home. This little kit here, this goes into my Viper Tack Pack. If you scroll down into the video and look for the Viper Tack Pack, this basically has got a little sewing kit. It's got cotton, needles, little blades and a little knife in there. So that comes under repair. Okay guys, so within my little pouch that goes onto my knife, if you look at the K-bar, scroll down again in my video section and look for the K-bar knife with minimal survival kit. I've got this, and within here I've got a needle, and I do carry some thread like I showed you in my tack pack, so that will come under repair. Right, within my BCB mini mess box right here I've got stuff like Kevlar. This is Kevlar thread, very strong, also come under repairs. And within the BCB mini mess box right there I've also got a little small tube of super glue. Okay guys, right, and a number of safety pins has also come under repairs. You want to quickly put something together, you broke your button on your belt, on your trousers, you can use safety pins. Right guys, paracord will also come under repairs. I've got my little Leatherman wave here with a little scissors on there, so that will help with repairs, little knives and stuff like that. So that kind of comes under repair as well. Your knives to do repair work. Okay guys, here I've got a couple of spare strap, a couple of buckles for my bug out bag, just in case the buckle goes, so that's part of repairs. Right guys, also I have here like a little mini, this is like a little mini tent repair kit, also an airbed repair kit, always good to have. So that's also repairs. And generally at home you'll have things like sewing needles, so I've got a nice selection of sewing needles here, and of course I've got a nice bit of cotton thread. You should always have repair stuff at home as well as on your bobs. Alright guys, right, so what I'm going to do is over here, right, I've got a selection of tools, okay, some really good thread there, some beeswax, and these little tools right here, They are for punching holes in leather, and they definitely work with most materials. And I've got myself a good selection of needles. Okay, the video's gone over 5 minutes now, but it is quite a detailed video. And here I've got one of those thimbles. Okay, that goes with this. So we've got loads of different needles, carpet needles, sail needles, sack needles. So this curved mattress needles and stuff like that. So with the repair kit, what I'll do is I'm just going to quickly move the camera just to show you this little kit here. Alright guys and girls, now that kit there, those little tools for punching holes. Also, let me just show you this, guys, just bear with me. This pouch here is one of the pouches that I made from a pocket of an old waterproof trouser. So what I've done is all this kit here goes into this pouch here, and this is basically like a home repair kit right there in one pouch. And this is an engraver. Obviously, if you want to do some work, you can engrave your work. Also, you can engrave your stuff. So when you go out camping or bugging out practice, you can engrave your backhoe Laplander. And if the other guy's got one, you can say, well, this one's mine because I've engraved it with my initial on it. So anyway, this little kit here goes into this pouch here. I won't go into this pouch yet, but I've got a few surprises for you coming up, okay guys, with what I put in there. So let me just put all this stuff in this pouch. Okay, so this would be part of the home repair kit. Alright guys, just bear with me. While I put that stuff away, let me just bring this back again. Something like that, guys. Just bear with me a second. There we have it. Now, like I said, this pouch, I made it. Okay, guys. So, all this stuff here goes in there. Alright, guys and girls, just bear with me. Just to show you. So that becomes my little pouch for my repair kit. Right guys and girls, right there. This one, I'm going to make another video and show you what I keep in there. Got a little surprise for you. Right guys, moving along. I've got the buckles and stuff like that. Got your BCB mini mess tin. Actually what I'll do is I'll move this stuff out of the way and just move it to the side. Now, like I was saying, you've got various bits and bobs, the sewing needles, the Gorilla Tape, sewing kit, the Leatherman Wave right there. Okay, guys, that obviously is part of your repair kit, your knife, and also over here, everyone's got patches. You've got patches everywhere. This is from my school, a couple of patches here. You can also use patches to repair holes in your kit as well. If you've got any holes, you can use that to repair your kit. Okay, so we've been through the various bits and bobs that we carry with us, okay guys, in different little kits. Okay, I haven't got a specific pouch, but if I was to have a specific pouch, it would look something like this. Obviously you've got your paracord with all the inner strands. You can use that for loads of different things. Repairing shelter, you can take out the little threads and use it to repair material and stuff like that. Now, basically what I'll do is I'll bring this into the middle and zoom in on it, okay guys? Now just bear with me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in slightly. Just bear with me guys. So if I was going to have a specific kit just for repairs, it will look something like that. Okay, so I've got the same tools in here, and let me just show you a clearer picture. I'm gonna have to zoom out now a little bit, guys. Just bear with me. Coming up to 10 minutes of video now. Basically, in here you've got hole puncturing kits. I've got a little light. I've got this needles that I showed you earlier. Same pack. This is basically the same kit as I've got in that pouch right there. Okay, it's like a 14-piece kit you can buy from eBay, and basically you get things like thread in there, but it's for doing leather work. Okay guys, let me just show you an example of things that you can do. I mean, I didn't make this, but you can repair this with the kit that I got. Leather. I bought this from a charity shop for £1, guys. So keep your eyes open. And also, this recently I bought for £2. And what I've done, basically in here, I have my Laplander and my backhoe saw. So I thought it was a fantastic pouch. So straight away I put in there my backhoe and knife, Moira, companion, and the backhoe knife, and I thought it went nicely in there. And I put a couple of straps of leather on the handles. So guys, coming back to this. So yeah guys, if I was going to have a specific pouch for repair work, it would look something like this, okay? So like I was saying, it's got the same tools as what I was showing you over there. It's got hole making things here. So basically I can repair anything with this kit. Super glue. I've got a little multi-tool here, which will help me. It's got a knife in there, little scissors in there if I need scissors. You've got your beeswax right here. Okay, handy. And I've got 3 of these threads. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these type of tools here. And basically they're for pushing thread through leather, through material and stuff like that. So let me place this down here. Okay guys. Okay, let me have a look at the video. It's gone past, coming up to 12 minutes. So what I do is I zoom in a little bit more. Just bear with me guys. So this would be, if I was to have a specific kit, this would be it right here, okay? With the additions, obviously, of tape measure, the paracord bracelet, some Gorilla Tape, the needles, okay guys and girls, right? Obviously things like your buckles, you'll have to include your spare strap, right guys and girls, just move this stuff away. And also remember to have a piece of material. I've got a piece of material here, and basically I can use that to make repairs on my bug out bag and stuff like that. So that's handy to have a little piece of material. It's something like 2 foot by 1 foot. Also you can use this as like a filter and other stuff like that. So basically you'll have your little bit of material, your tent repair kit, right guys and girls. So basically let me just come out a bit, zoom out. Right guys and girls, so basically if I was going to have a specific pouch, I guess it will take up those items there. Now let me just move the video forward. I know it's been a bit of a long one, but there you go guys, just covering my friend. Go and check him out on Plymouth Fenns. You can see him down in the link section below. Thomas there, he's a good friend of mine from Plymouth Fenns. Check out his channel, got some good ideas. So basically, here you go Tom, that's what I would have in a specific repair pouch. Okay, so let me just have a little quick run through. Obviously your little tools there, your needles, your cotton, your super glue, your tent kit, your Gorilla Tape, your buckles, your strap, your Leatherman with a knife and scissors on it, your little paracord bracelet, beeswax, a little multi-tool, another little small one. So basically that's it guys. Also within your bug out bag, this is my 24-hour day pack. Oh excuse me, this was my little wash bag survival fishing kit in here with dog medication, and basically that would be considered as a little repair kit in there as well, because I've got cotton thread, a needle, some fishing line, and basically that would probably come under repairs as well. Right guys, obviously how do you repair your soul? Well, you've got your Bible there. None of this stuff, none of the material stuff can repair a man's soul. So what can repair a man's soul? You've got your King James Bible, which I carry with me. It's got Proverbs and Psalms. So that would be very important for your kit as well. So that would be part of my repair kit, I guess. So there we have it guys. That's my repair kit, what I would take with me in a bug out bag. If there's anything else out there, guys, that you would add, just leave a message, a little note below. And thank you very much for watching this video. I know it's been 15 minutes, but it's quite a lot of stuff. Anyway, have a fantastic day. Be careful out there. God bless you all. Lots of love to all of you. Jesus loves you. Thumbs up from me. Like, share, subscribe. And just be careful out there, guys. God bless you. And God willing, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day.